Hello everybody. Sorry I couldn't be there today, but I have an appointment. But today's going to be a really easy and important day for you. You have a couple assignments on Google Classroom. You have one ed puzzle. And you also have an easy little worksheet that you can complete with a partner. But the most important thing is you also have a behavior quiz. What that means is if you get your work done and nobody in your group gets a bad report from the sub, congratulations, you got 100% on a quiz, which will really come in handy for some of you guys. It'll move your grade up and it'll keep you out of having to come in to lunch RTI. But if anybody in your group gets a bad report from the sub, if you're misbehaving in any way, being too loud, or disrespectful to the sub in any way, I'm sorry, but the whole group will flunk the behavior quiz. So you got a couple options. Either A, keep your group in check, make sure they act appropriately, or today, move. Simply ask the substitute, could I please move to another group just for today? And I'm going to have the substitute say, yes, you may move to another group. Now I'm not really worried because pretty much all of you guys are awesome. So I'm expecting when I see the sub report this weekend, everybody in period 1, 5, and 7 will get 100% on this behavior quiz. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day. Get your work done, and I'll see you next week.